Back out on the Willoway dock. You can see here we got some great looking plants on the dock today. Here we're looking at some 3-gallon New Gen Freedom. Let's take a walk to the dock. Here we have some 3-gallon Burning Bush. You know, that's a fall favorite there. Nice size 3s. We also have some 3-gallon Temple House. Grass is starting to come up here looking good. We have some 2-gallon Morning Lights, some worry-free bandwidth. Here we have some 1-gallon Strictness, and then some 2-gallon Redheads. Showed you these last week. This is Rocothe Paisley Pup. Look at that color, guys. This is a new one in the Proven Winter Deer Proof program. Gallon Pines are looking really good. Here we have some 2-gallon. These are Blue Star Junipers. Nice landscape great plants. Here we're looking at some 3-gallon Procumbens Nana. Nice heavy 3s, guys. Here we have some Spirea Candy Corn. Those are been in high demand. We have a few of them available, so be sure to get your orders in. Coming over here, Physocarpus is starting to look great right now. These are coming out of a trim. These are Summer Wine Black. And then here we have our 2-gallon Mop Cypress. That continues to look great. Good value there. We have a Proven Winter Eucarilla. This is I Spy. Great looking full plants. Brunera, Jack Frost are still looking great. Good color. Nice looking perennials. Eric's Everest is looking great. Here we're looking at Stella Hemeracalis. A lot of the Hemeracalis are scaping up, looking good. You see those in the landscape. Several varieties of Echinacea, budded up, looking good. Several varieties of Buddleia coming up, looking good. We'll see more of those. Here we have Euphorbia, Ascot Rainbow. We have some Campanula. And again, a great looking set of Echinacea here in the background there. We see the AB grass, that's standing ovation. Teatra spiking up, showing some color, and these beautiful Dilosperma. Several varieties of Dilosperma starting to show some color. Check out the lavender. This one happens to be Grosso, but we have several varieties of lavender up, looking great. Several varieties of Nepeta up here looking fantastic. Then coming over here, we have some Geranium. These are Bioclova Carmina. A beautiful Coreopsis agreb, loaded with bud and bloom. This one happens to be Allium Medusa, but we have several varieties of Allium coming up, spiking, starting to show some great color. This is the time that these are really looking good. Again, Buddleia is starting to look great. This is Miss Molly right here, right now, we're looking at. We got lots of buds, blooms on them. Looking gorgeous. Here we have some Hydrangea corsifolia. This is Ruby Slipper. Gorgeous, clean foliage to them. Looking good. Ruby Slippers, 3 bucks. There's several varieties of Proboscia starting to come up, looking great. Again, we see our trees a lot on the dock here. We're looking at some cherries, some weeping prunus, and then here we're looking at some 25-gallon green giants. Here we're looking at some 7-gallon limelight trees. Look at those buds. Here's another great value is our 15-gallon. This is American Pillar. Nice, heavy, full landscape grade. And I'm going to spin over here. You can see some of the 15-gallon. They're tied up, getting ready to go on, but those are the 15-gallon Green Mountain Boxwood. And also some 15-gallon, those are Hetz Columnaris. Some more perennials to look at here. We have our hay-scented ferns. Nice, big, heavy grade. We have a heck of a little all gold for some color. And here we have some Bucco Carmel. Here we got another look at some of the Brunera. We have Acnoloa aureola. Those are all golds. Some Heuchera. Great looking plants here, guys. Small landscape order here. We have some great looking plants though. We have Physocarpus. Those are Amber Jubilee. This one is Salix Iceberg Alley. Unique plant with that silvery foliage to it. And paniculata is starting to come up. But yeah, check out that Iceberg Alley. That's a very unique plant. Here we're looking at some 3-gallon sky pencils. Nice, heavy grade. Check out these Coreopsis agreb. I mean, they're just loaded with buds and blooms. Get them while they're hot. These are great landscape grade plants. So here we have some anemone. This is the Proven Winter Selection, Fall in Love Sweetly. And I know Thad's going to talk about that in his video, but look at the buds on these guys. Don't pass these up. This would be great for your fall sales. Budded up, looking good. Anemone, Fall in Love Sweetly. Well, again, here we're looking at our roses, and the rose crop has just looked phenomenal. We got several varieties. You can see here they're bud and bloom. Perfect. They're going to give you a lot of shelf life and a lot of summer color. We talked about sambucas, and this one is lemony lace. Look at that nice chartreuse color. Adds a lot of color to a dark spot in the garden. Coming over some more roses. Then here we're looking at hibiscus. You know, they're budded up low. Look at all the buds there. This one is sugar tip. It gives you the plus of a variegated foliage with it as well. Well, here's one of many of the drift roses. You can see this is drift red. Look at all those flower buds. You know, the guys, again, are doing a great job on those split trims. This is one that just glows. This is orange glow knockout. Wow, it really stands out here in the dock, and it will in the landscape as well. Loaded with buds and blooms, and this color is just stunning. And on the other dock here, we have a lot of nice buddleia coming up there. There's Miss Molly's, Miss Violet. Here we have Butterfly Magic, which is 3 colors to a pot. But be sure to check out that buddleia. Several new crops of Phlox paniculata coming up here. This is Great Magic. You can see there they're just starting to show some color. Perfect time to get them, guys. Quite a few echinaceas coming in color here. We're looking at some beautiful bud and bloom plants. Check out those echinaceas. A lot of Provoscia we see here coming up, showing some good color. The yarrow's looking good. We have yellow yarrow. Nice. Here we have some Sclopsia tuberosa, and this is from the American Beauties program. Looking good. Coreopsis here, we have, this is Big Bang Cosmic Eye. Loaded with buds and bloom. Next up we have Deutzia. This is Chardonnay Pearls. Nice big heavy 2-gallon plants here. You know, again, if you want to light up a dark area in the garden, this will do it. Deutzia Chardonnay Pearls. A look at 3-gallon. These are New Gen Freedoms. Again, nice size and value. Looking at some barberry. See the neon back there looking good. Maroon, mini maroon coming down here. Another look at those Flavor Strongbox. Blue Made hollies, 3-gallon hollies are looking great, and Grenada Sky Pencils. Been up with a nice consistency on these 3-gallon. These are Cranberry Creek. Beautiful 3-gallon Mr. Bowling Ball. Nice size and grade to those. The background there, we're looking at green velvets and 3s. Here we have some beautiful 3-gallon Emerald Green Arborvitae as well. Boxwood continues to look great. Here we're looking at Winter Gem in 3 gallons. I'll spin over here. We're looking at some Ilex Galabra, the Strongbox series. Looking good. As you can see, the dock is full, filling out quickly this morning. And we got a lot of great looking plants here for shrubs, perennials, trees. Be sure to get with the sales team. Geez, I hope we're loading the truck for you.